Hello, my name is Alex the Polymath. Today I will be doing a tutorial on a site called Wordle. It's basically a site that creates word clouds. Its internet address is wordle.net. You I've found that Wordle basically works the best when you use Safari. When I tried Google Chrome and Firefox, it wouldn't work as well. And this is what the site looks like, the front page of it. If you have a Windows computer, you might want to click the left button and download that. But if you have a Mac, you want to click this. But I already have this downloaded, so I am just going to show you what I have so far. You want to go to Applications, which is in your desktop or Finder app, basically, and in Applications, after you downloaded it, it should be there. You want to click on that, and then it opens, and you want to put a bunch of text in. I'm going to put all of the lanthanide series in here. Lanthanum, cerium, praseodymium, neodymium, promethium, samarium, europium, gadolinium, terbium, dysprosium, holmium, erbium, thulium, ytterbium, and finally lutetium. This is basically where you put your text in, but to actually see the Wordle, you want to click here, and then this is what it looks like. Here's an example. You can make it look different, randomize it. If you want to change the color of it, you can go up to the color tab in the Wordle app, basically, and change it all around. Yeah, that's cool. And you can change the layout, like yeah, so that's basically it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.